Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about the word concerning to the prefix, that is IM, IN, IR, whatever the prefix have been given in it. As you can see how exactly IL, that is illicit, so which has been the meaning of that is not and without. So let us see what we have in our slide. Ignorable means that cannot be ignored, but in this case ignoble means not noble, that is dishonorable, base, lowly, unworthy and noble. So in this case ignoble means not noble, dishonorable. Ignominy means loss of one's good name and reputations, that is disgrace. Ignominy, as you can see, great personal dishonor or humiliation. Ignorant means having without knowledge, not having without any knowledge, that is he is not educated, he is having no knowledge at all, he is illiterate, unaware, unknown, he is ignorant or lame. Ignore means to refuse to notice or recognize, avoid, that is neglecting. We have the opposite is heed, take notice of, so which is the opposite of ignore. Illegal means not legal, prohibited by law, that is illicit, unlawful, and opposite is legal and lawful. Here we have illegible means impossible or difficult to read, is which is not legible to read at all, so it is not readable, so that is impossible or difficult to read. Unreadable, indecipherable, and readable, that is opposite is decipherable. Illegitimate is unlawful, born of parents who were not married to each other at the time of birth is illegitimate. Illiberal means narrow-minded, intolerant is the answer for this. Illicit means not permitted by the law or custom, that is having the illegal affair with someone. Illiterate means unable to read and write, that is illiterate, opposite is literate. We have the next immaculate means without spot or stain, without fault or error, that is spotless, perfect, flawless, these are all immaculate. Immediate means without any delay. Instantaneous means the same, instant, that is current, so which are immediate. Immense means immeasurable, that is vast, huge. Boundless, which is enormous. Colossal, gigantic or Amazon, that is finite is the opposite. Limited, again tiny and small are opposites of immense. Immiscible means that not capable of being mixed. As you can see how exactly we can see the liquids of lightweight will be at the higher and the little weight that is in the middle. As you can see, if you put the petrol in the water, obviously petrol will be in the upper portion of the liquid. So these are immiscible. Immortal means not mortal, living or lasting forever, that is immortal. Man is mortal and woman is immortal. I request you guys to check playlist and you can go for whatever the question papers of various examinations have been given in it. You can directly download it and you can go for it. Next we have immune. Protector from a disease or infection is immune, that immune system. Immutable means not changeable, that is alterable, which cannot be changed. Impalpable means not capable of being felt by touching, so this is impalpable. Air is one type of impalpable. Impeccable means without any mistakes or faults, that is perfect, so that is impeccable. Impecunious means having little or no money, that is destitute or penniless and penurious. They are all impecunious, they have no money or destitute, that is penniless. Next we have impenitent. As you can see, impenitent is without shame or regret is impenitent, that is unrepentant. As we have next, impermeable means not permeable, not permits the passes of fluid, that is opposite is permeable. As you can see, the raincoat is impermeable, which the rain or water drops will not go inside. Imperturbable means that is not capable of being disturbed or upset, not easily excited, that is calm. Implacable means not capable of being appeased or pacified. He is intractable, that meaning is implacable means he is very hostile nature which cannot be easily pacified or calmed. Implausible means not believable or reasonable, not having the appearance of truth, that is plausible, that is implausible. Next we have impregnable means not capable of being taken by force, is impregnable. Next we have impropriety means that is the behavior or actions that are dishonest, morally wrong, or not appropriate for a person in a position or responsibilities. Impropriety, so that is behavior or action that are dishonest, morally wrong, or not appropriate for a person in a position or responsibility. Next we have improvise, perform without previous preparation is improvising, that is we can also call it as impromptu and extempore. These are all various examples, that is opposite is planning. Imprudent means not wise or sensible, that is foolish. So opposite is wise and prudent is the right answer. Next we have impudent means shameless or not showing respect for other people, that is rude and brazen is impudent. We have impunity, that is freedom from punishment is impunity. Exemption from punishment or laws also impunity. Inadvertent is happening by chance or unexpectedly or unintentionally, that is accidental. As you can see how exactly this accident have taken, that is one type of inadvertent action. Inalienable means not able to transfer to another, is that is inalienable, so which cannot be transferred to another. Inane means something that is empty or void, that is lacking meaning or significance. Absurd, stupid, that is asinine. As you can see, that is something that is empty or void, that is lacking meaning or significance. So that is one thing, inane. Inanimate means spiritless, without liveliness or energy, that is dull, you can see. So in this case what exactly is without any spirit, that is inanimate, and as well as you can say that is dull. We have inapt means that is not suitable, unfit, awkward, clumsy. So incompetent and awkward, these are all inapt or inept. Incessant means continuing without interruption, that is persistent, we can call it as, so continuing without interruption, that is ceaseless, you can tell. Incognizant, that is without knowledge or unaware, that is cognizant. Opposite, as you can see, without knowledge or unawareness is the one, cognizant is the opposite. So incognizant is the knowledgeable, so without knowledgeable. So next we have incommensurate, that is not proportionate. Inadequate, disproportionate, these are all few things which are to be remembered, which is not proportionate, that is inadequate, so that is incommensurate. Incommodious means inconvenient, uncomfortable, these are all incommodious ways. Next we have incompetent, that is not able to meet requirements in skill, knowledge, these are all incompetent. Incomprehensible means difficult to understand, or inscrutable is something which is to be understood, incomprehensible. Next we have inconclusive, that is not leading to clear, convincing or defined result, which is inconclusive. Next we have incongruous, that is not compatible or harmonious, out of place, bizarre, these are all incongruous, which is not compatible. So next we have inconspicuous, that is not easily noticed, that is attracting little or no attention at all, that is unnoticeable. So hidden, unobtrusive, that is opposite is obtrusive, as you can see, inconspicuous. So this is one thing which have to be remembered. Incomprehensible, very difficult to understand, or inscrutable in this picture. It is very difficult to find out whatever has been given in this picture. So I request you guys to call me on 7667302 if you want to have 2100 PDF of GK and GS for a free of cost. Thank you guys. I request you guys to share it to maximum people. Let them also be benefited.